One of the biggest things that pushes people away from signing up with Kajabi is the price. Let's be honest, looking at $150, $200 coming in every single month and you not making any money, it's kind of disheartening. But when you know how to use Kajabi as a platform, it really is a game changer. And at this point, Kajabi pays me to use it, but I've gotten really good at using the platform over the years. But what's awesome is that Kajabi did listen to you and they just created their Kajabi Kickstarter Plan. This is a plan solely designed to help you get the foundation set up for building your business, and it's only $69 a month. So in this video, we're going to compare this plan to the other options that Kajabi does provide, and I'm going to give you some tips to help you really get the most out of the Kickstarter plan. Now, right now, you can get a 14-day free trial for the Kajabi Kickstarter Plan, but on top of that, because you're using an affiliate link from me, I'm going to give you a free course I made all about Kajabi called Kajabi Kickstart. Ironically enough, I swear I came up with this before they came out with the Kickstarter plan. So on top of signing up for the Kickstarter plan, you're also going to get the Kajabi Kickstart program and a one-on-one coaching call with me where I'll sit down with you personally and help you grow your business in Kajabi. Click on the first link in the description to start your trial, get your course, and you can book your one-on-one call in that time as well. So what is included with the Kickstarter plan? Well, if we look at the pricing options, growth is the most popular. That's the one that I'm on. It's $200 per month. What you get are 0 transaction fees, and that is across the board on every single plan, which I think is incredible. They're not taking extra money from you. You get to run your business, keep all the money that you make. Obviously, you have to deal with payment processing, but Kajabi doesn't take any percentage of your sales, even on the Kickstarter plan, which is pretty incredible. With any of the other plans, you get unlimited landing pages and marketing emails. Now, with the Kickstarter plan, it is designed to give you the foundations to help you grow your business. So you only get 50 landing pages, which quite frankly is way more than enough. You get 1,250 marketing emails that you can send each month. With the basic and the growth, you get either 3 or 15 products and then 3 or 15 funnels. So 1 product per funnel. The Kickstarter plan, you get 1 product and 1 funnel. You get 250 contacts, which are people who are on your email list. I know that seems like not enough. Quite frankly, you do want to grow your email list a lot more, but it is designed to help you get the foundations. And realistically, if you have 250 contacts on your email list, you can still make a decent amount of money. It comes down to what you're offering them and the relationship that you have with those people. I personally was making thousands of dollars when I had 200 people on my list because I offered higher end coaching and I offered different digital products as well. You get 50 active customers and 1 website. Now, it may not seem like a lot because you don't have unlimited products and unlimited landing pages. Realistically, that stuff is actually a detriment to your growth because you'll end up creating stuff just to create things rather than being really smart and strategic about what it is that you're offering people. So here's what I would do to make $5,000 per month on the Kajabi Kickstarter plan. If I were starting fresh, knowing what I know now, and let's say I only had $100 per month that I could put into my business, I would sign up for the Kajabi Kickstarter plan and I would start by creating a mini course, which I'm going to call my awesome mini course because this course will be awesome eventually. Now, there's an option to use AI to generate a quick outline. I don't like to use this. I like to start from scratch. So from here, you can choose your colors, pick a thumbnail. I don't really care right now. You can pick a pricing plan. And let's say for this mini course, I'm going to call it $97. If you price your mini course between $50 to $150, that is a sweet spot to generate some good revenue. It's a really easy investment for people too. So we're going to go to next. And in here, you will have your outline for your course. Now, this is really important. If I were starting and this is all I had was a Kajabi Kickstart program and the knowledge that I have in my head, I would start by knowing who I want to help and figuring out what they want help with. For example, if I wanted to work with professional athletes, I would go where professional athletes are hanging out and I would talk with them about their challenges, their goals, and the roadblocks or brick walls that are getting in the way of them achieving that goal. From there, I'm going to get a ton of customer research and know exactly what to build for them. Now, the reason I create a mini course in the Kickstarter plan is because you only get 1 product. So I'm going to use that to be 1 course. But there's a little known secret that a lot of people don't talk about when it comes to Kajabi. If you go over to the sales tab, you can go over to offers. And inside of here, we can create a new offer. And this one, we're going to call our coaching program. And we're not going to select a product because you can create offers where you can accept payments with checkout pages without connecting it to a product, which means you can have products without taking up a product slot. Unlimited offers, limited amount of products. So what I would do here is I would turn this into, let's say, a $3,000, $5,000 coaching program. And we can pick Stripe, get it connected, save and finish. And from here, you can customize your own checkout page and receive $3,000. I would also create another checkout page that would be a payment plan. Let's say $1,000 per month for a 3-month package. So now I'm able to accept thousands of dollars through Kajabi, and I don't even have to have a product. And what's really cool is with this coaching program that I'll offer, you can still add products to this offer. So I'll add a product, which will be my awesome mini course. Now what happens is when I sell my coaching through Kajabi, people will also get my mini course, which I can build over time. So that mini course, after I start coaching people, paying thousands of dollars to work with me, then they'll also get the mini course. I can get feedback from real people, like my athletes in this example, and they're gonna help me create a really great product, which then I can turn into a standalone product. And that's what I do with my own coaching programs. I work with people privately, but they also get my courses, which sell by themselves. And that is great curriculum that's going to support them further on their journey while we're coaching together. So even though we're on the Kickstarter plan where we only get one product, we're using that one product for a mini course slot. And then we can create our coaching program as a separate offer. And what's really awesome is that by working with people and getting real feedback from them, I can turn that mini course that's $97 into a full-fledged flagship course that's $497 that I know is going to be impactful and transformative for my students who buy it as a standalone product. Now, if you want to see behind the scenes of how I built my $10,000 coaching package inside of Kajabi, check out this video and I'll walk you through the whole thing. So again, if you want to get private coaching from me, plus a course I made all about Kajabi that's still going to help you even if you're on the Kickstarter plan, click the first link in the description to sign up for your 14-day free trial. I'll see you inside.